We about to go to his friend's house. He wanted to drive down there. He said walking wasn't good enough. They had to pull the whip out. Look, he parked the whip. Boom. Ready?
Pie gave me a drink.
Oh, cool. You are a crazy little kid. Let me go back and see how crazy you are. Look.
Bigling or banglets.